This is huge. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing our winter 2024 FabFitFun box. I am so incredibly excited. Y'all know that I love FabFitFun and I am super excited because this box has some things that I'm really excited about. It's already kind of bulging, so I'm really interested to dive in. I do also have two different mystery bags down below, and I have my laptop here so we can go through all the prices. Let's go ahead and open up this box. If you're unfamiliar with FabFitFun, where have you been? Because it's one of the best on the market. It's also been one of the oldest on the market, I believe. It has lifestyle products, everything from beauty and skincare to kitchen, sometimes fitness. They've definitely done a little bit less of that in the years. You get to pick everything in your box, and if you're an annual member like I am, you get to pick everything a lot earlier, which is super helpful to guarantee that you get what you want. You are guaranteed to get at least $200 worth of value in every box, and it is about $50 every quarter. I have a coupon code down below that I think saves you $10 off your first box. So check that out if you're interested in trying. And as always, if you are already a subscriber, let me know what you picked because I love getting to see if we picked the same things or got a completely different box. With that being said, this is my box. Look how cute this little wreath is. Oh, that's adorable. And it has a little message saying happy holidays from the team. Aww. Oh, that's so cute with the FabFitFun team. I love that. That's adorable. There is a way to win a Caraway pan set. That's exciting. And then we have some samples from Mary Kay, the mattifying cleanser, the exfoliating scrub, and the mattifying moisturizer. Cool. Interesting to see Mary Kay make a comeback. That's fun. Some coupons for HelloFresh. Okay, let's go through. So the first thing I got is the Unhide blanket. In all of my years of having FabFitFun, I have actually never gotten an Unhide blanket. This was the first year that I decided I wanted to get one. And I decided to get it in the chocolate hair color. Yeah, this is really soft. This is really soft. And this is the Lil Marsh blanket. A $69 value. It is fluffy, furry, friendly, fresh, and faux. There were no animals harmed in the making of this blanket. And it's a proud supporter of the Humane Society. So it is so soft. I love this. I don't know if I'm going to keep it for myself or give this as a gift for Christmas, but I wouldn't spend $70 on a blanket, so I'm happy to have it. Next thing I got is the Etika 18 karat gold plated adjustable crystal bracelet. This looks like kind of like a tennis bracelet. Ooh, and it comes with a little silky gift bag if you were going to give this as a gift. I'm gonna be selfish and keep it for myself. But this is what it looks like. It's super shiny. Oh yeah, pretty. So that's what that looks like. Very pretty. I like that a lot. How exciting. And this is a $40 value. So between the blanket and this, we've already more than doubled our value of what we paid. So that's awesome. I'm next seeing the Saturday Skin Rub-A-Dub. That's not this one. The Rub-A-Dub. There we go. Rub-A-Dub Refining Peel Gel. This is a $28 value, and this is a like a quick skin peel. I really like Saturday Skin. I think it's a really good brand. It's a cute little rubber ducky on the front. Powered by 7 peptides to refresh and reveal your everyday glow. So that's awesome. And it is 2.53 fluid ounces. We have another Saturday Skin product, and this is the Scalp and Hair Strengthening Peptide Treatment. This is a $28 value. The other was $19. And this is just a little squirt bottle that you squirt on your scalp and massage in, and it's going to help your hair grow healthier. This also has the 7 peptide mix that the Saturday Skin products all have. So that's great. This is the by Rosie Jane Everyday Body Milk. This is a weightless hydrating lotion in the scent Chill. This is a fancy bottle. This is glass. It looks like butter. Let's see what it smells like. Whoa, that smells like a spa. That smells like a really expensive spa. It says chill the F out on there. This is fun. I love getting fancy lotions because I would never spend $28 on a body lotion, especially of this size. So I am super excited to have it for myself. And then I'm seeing that there is a sample in here that they just threw in, and this is the Dove cleansing bar, and this is the turmeric milk and lemon drop scent. Let's see what it smells like. Ooh, I definitely smell the lemon drop, and I smell the turmeric too, which I actually really like the scent of. Yeah, the scent of sweet lemon and orange blossom as well. Yum. Okay, so this has no sulfate cleansers or parabens. It's pH balance, skin natural ingredients, and a 98% biodegradable formula. Cool, that's awesome. And that was just a little freebie that they threw in here. And then the last thing is a little bit big and heavy, so let's set this box down. So these are the Brock Your Body mini round ceramic coquette set. Love the name Brock Your Body. I think that is so cute. I love a pun. And these are little baking dishes. So cute. I saw a recipe on Pinterest to make French onion pasta, and I'm really excited to try it. And I have already customized these, so I knew that these would be perfect. So they come like this. You get a green and a white. So really fun for entertaining for Christmas. And it's just a little dish. These are, this is a $48 value for the two of them. And they are oven, microwave, freezer, and dishwasher safe. All of which is awesome. This is gonna be awesome, and I don't have anything like this, so I'm very happy to add this to my home collection. And the total for my box, based on what I customized, is $232, and I'm very, very excited about these products. I think these are things that I'm going to use a ton, especially these little dishes. I think this is the thing that I'm the most excited about. And then I really, really like this bracelet too. I think this is just super pretty and very luxurious looking, so I'm happy about it. But that is everything in that box. Let's go through my two mystery bags. So every single season you can go in and do add-ons. They have tons of amazing deals on products that are very expensive, very high quality. And if you're a FabFitFun member, you get to get those at much better prices. So some of the things that they have when they have more overstock items are mystery bags. So I pay $20 per mystery bag, and they pack it with a great deal of products. These are the mystery bags. Let's start with this one, because it looks like there's only two things in here. So I will put the prices of what these cost, or what the value of these are, on the screen. I always do this. I can never untie them. It is like my one beef with them. Like, I'm sure there's a way to do it, but I don't know what it is. I can never figure it out. Okay. So this big box, ooh, is a set of packing cubes. Okay, so you get 3 pieces. They are like a kind of like a watercolor material. I actually have a set of packing cubes that I got in a FabFitFun box years ago that I really like. So I'm probably gonna save these and give them to someone for Christmas, because these are pretty cute. I like them. And then we have, I'm assuming is jewelry. I don't see a brand. Ooh, oh, there's Summer Rose. Okay, this is a brand that they really, really like to give. I've gotten scrunchies, clips. I think I got a bath mat from them, maybe that was them. And these are some like huggy earrings. So you get 3 different pairs. These are really cute. I like these a lot. I have a friend that loves this brand. I gave her the hair clips and she said they're her favorite hair clips ever. So I may be giving these to her for Christmas because these are very cute. That's totally a win. I think those 2 things are definitely worth 20 bucks. And now I have 2 really good gifts to give people for Christmas. Next up, we have this one. Already seeing something I'm excited about. First, these are also Summer and Rose, and these are 4 pairs of socks. I hair ties, socks disappear in my house, and I know that part of it is because my dog is obsessed with socks. She takes them, she runs away, she throws them under the bed to where I can't get them unless I dig under the floor. And she just chews like one single hole, like right in the heel or right in the toe, just ruins them. So we go through socks pretty quickly in this house. She's a puppy. It's gonna happen, whatever. But these are really, really pretty. I really like this pattern. So it comes with a pair of those, a pair of plain maroon. Oh, you get 5 actually. This pattern of the pink and the red, a burnt orange, and then this like kind of looks like a cheetah print, but it's just like a very dainty floral. So 5 pairs of socks. Awesome. I don't know if I'll keep those. I don't know if I'll give those, but everybody loves socks. Elemis. Okay, so this is from Elemis. This is the Superfood Vital Veggie Nourishing Prebiotic Green Mask for all skin types to balance, replenish, and hydrate. I love Elemis. It's definitely my favorite skincare brand. So I'm so excited to have this. Look how cute this is with the little round. Okay, amazing. I am so incredibly excited about this. I know Elemis is a very expensive brand. I never buy Elemis for myself, but I always get it in FabFitFun. It makes me so happy. So very excited to have another product from them. And I have, I think, the Superfood Cleanser, and my skin loves it. So I think this mask is going to be a new favorite for mine. A new favorite of mine. There we go. And then the last thing in this mystery box is the Asobu. And this is the Aqualina Insulated Tumbler. And it's in a really pretty light pink. This is great. I definitely don't need another cup, if I'm being honest. So this is gonna be a gift for somebody for sure. But it's just a light pink tumbler cup. Comes with a hot and cold lid and a straw. And this is what it looks like. It's interesting because it's like kind of square at the bottom and then circular at the top. So it's kind of a unique shape. It is reusable, food safe. You hand wash it like all stainless steel. Food grade stainless steel, BPA free, and vacuum insulated. Let's see if it says how long. Oh yeah, cold for 24 hours, hot for 12. And then it has the like pop lid for your hot beverages. And then when you want the straw, you just, that's so fun. Okay. I'm probably gonna give this to my future sister-in-law because she loves to fidget with things, and I think that is something she would love to fidget with. Those were some good mystery boxes. That was amazing. That was a great box. That was great mystery boxes. I'm super excited, and I'm interested to hear your thoughts. If you've used any of these products, let me know. And if you subscribe to FabFitFun, definitely let me know what you got in your box. I am always so curious. Thank you for coming and hanging out with me. I, as always, appreciate you being here, and I really look forward to seeing you in my next video. In the meantime, I hope you have a killer day. Bye!